beautiful 2020 Midnight Blue Street Glide with 2,902 miles on it. It's got a few nice accessories on it. It's got the little louvers over the lights, like the little shades. Looks like it's got the chrome passenger floorboards. Makes it a little more comfortable for your passenger. It's got docking hardware. And believe it or not, this is midnight blue. It's not black. It always looks black. Unless it's out in the sunlight, which is really cool. You have basically a two-colored bike. Of course, in 2020, they removed the heel shifter. It's got custom grips. It's got the Boom, the upgraded Boom GTX radio. And it is a certified pre-owned unit, which means it went through a rigorous quality check and it qualifies for the extended powertrain warranty once the original warranty expires. And of course you can add to that if you'd like to for additional cost. These certified bikes really do not last long, so if you're interested, come on down and check her out.